Yo, good morning, Flat Fam. How you doing? Yeah, well, you know, just walking around the beautiful city, you know. It's always lovely. A little bit of fresh air, some sunshine in the back, you know. It's called the original light theme. When you see the world, you know, like, let me show you some beautiful sights, you know. You have a lot of great colors, you know. They're all funny things, you know. Let's see, I don't know. The world is autumn in where I live. The smells are different. Everything is different now. From the summer, everything is different from the spring and winter. Having been working outside, you know, as a gardener for the last 2 years, there's a lot of appreciation for the world outside. People tend to forget, and it's easy to forget when you're stuck to a computer monitor or closed up in a office building or factory. People forget to see the beauty. And seeing things is a wonderful thing. It opens your eyes, you know. See all the different colors, see all the different possibilities. A world in which you have, like, you know, trees that, you know, don't know if you can see the colors right, but yeah. It's just, you know, mesmerizing. Be captured by the world outside. It's nice. Right? Get some appreciation for where you live. And once you have that appreciation, understanding will come of where you live. Because you want to know. And that's important. Well, anyway, it's me blabbering on a Sunday. And who cares anyway? It's just, you know, nature. Well, have fun, and see you next time.